Okay, the first part of the special product is the square of binomial. When we say square, ano exponent? 2, very good. Okay, this is the pattern to find the square of binomial. Okay, so meron tayo anak dalawang pattern. Isa para sa addition, then isa para sa subtraction. So for addition, a plus b squared, kaya nga po square of binomial is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Ano yung pinagkaiba niyang pattern sa second pattern? Ito lang po, kapag ang operation ay addition, yung second term addition. Kapag ang operation ay subtraction, yung second term ay subtraction. Yung first term at third term ay walang pinagbago. Do you understand? Okay, now, where A is the first term and B is the second term of the given binomial. Okay, the result of squaring a binomial is called a perfect square trinomial. Ang sagot daw pong ito, anak, ang tawag dito ay perfect square trinomial, which is magiging topic natin after ng special product. Vice versa naman. So, ang kukuhain natin yung product. Next topic, ang kukuhain natin yung factors naman. Okay, baliktad tayo by next topic. So, let us proceed by the steps on how to find the product of the given binomial. Step 1, kindly read.
Square the first term.
Step 2.
Multiply the product of the first and second term.
And then
by
step 3.
2. Square the second term.
Okay, ito po yun. Step 1, square the first term. Our first term is A. So, square the first term. Then, step 2, multiply. So, i-multiply daw natin yung first at second term. After getting the product, multiply it again by 2. Kaya naging 2AB. Then, step 3, square the second term. Ano yung second term? B. O, square mo lang si second term. Okay, any question about the steps? Do you understand? This time, let us proceed by example number 1. So, we have x plus 8 squared. So, if we're going to use the FOIL method, i-multiply natin si x plus 8 ng dalawang beses. Saan po? Sa sarili. At ito po yun. So, kung mapapansin nyo mamaya, parehas ang sagot natin. Why? Kasi parehas yung given. Okay, but this time, ang gagamitin natin ay the square of binomial. So, yung pattern. Okay. So, step 1, identify the operation. Ano ba yung operation sa gitna?
Positive.
Okay, operation, plus or minus? Plus. Okay, step 2, write the pattern. O, balik tayo dito, anak. Ano yung pattern kapag sum? Ito po yun, isusulat natin. So, this will become a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That is the step 2. Then, step 3, identify the value of a and the value of b. The value of a will be the first term. What is the first term here? X. And what is the second term here?
A.
Okay. Then step 3, i-apply na natin yung tatlong steps na yan. Okay, what we're going to do? Square the first term. Or the easiest way is substitute na lang natin. So substitute the value of A. Lahat ng A papalitan ng X. Lahat ng B papalitan ng 8. So this will become X squared plus 2, what is A? X. What is B? A. Plus, what is B again? A. Take note, anak, kapag sinubstitute natin yung value ni A at value ni B, use parentheses. Okay, then multiply. Multiply X how many times? Twice. So, X times X. X times X. Same variable? Yes. If yes, copy the variable. Then add the exponent. 1 plus 1. Okay, 2. We have X squared. Plus 2 times X. 2X times 8. 16X. Plus, multiply 8 how many times? Twice. Kanino? Sa sarili. 8 times 8.
64.
Okay, 64. This is the answer. Equal lang siya dito.